Welcome to TradeMum, your gateway to passive income and ultimate side hustle. Today, we're going to explore how you can earn up to $174 daily on TradeMum through our innovative Team Trader program and Solo Trader program. At TradeMum, we believe that everyone should have the opportunity to earn passive income, regardless of their trading experience or capital. That's why we've developed our Team Trading program, a unique system that allows you to earn up to $174 daily while others trade. With Team Trading, your earning potential is limitless. You start by buying a Team Trader license and building your trading team. With your referrals, then get free access to copy one of our best crypto trading strategies and start generating cash. You will also earn huge profits as your trading team grows, since you get up to 10% of the trading profits generated by your trading team without necessarily actively trading yourself or having a lot of trading capital. The bigger your trading team, the more the profits. Furthermore, you earn $17.40 for every person you refer to join your trading team and buys the Team Trader license, meaning you will earn $174 daily with just 10 referrals each day, which amounts to $1,218 weekly and an amazing $5,220 monthly in license fee commissions. Visit TradeMum.com for more detailed information on how you can start earning today with our Team Trader program. But team trading isn't the only way to make money on TradeMum. You can also earn passive income through our Solo Trader program, which involves renting our advanced trading bots managed by our expert traders, and then you pay us a percentage of the profits we generate for you. Our cutting-edge bots are designed to execute successful trades for you automatically 24/7. When you rent an advanced trading bot on our Solo Trader program, you can sit back and relax while our bots and expert traders do the hard work for you. You'll receive notifications of your earnings, and you can withdraw your profits at any time. Since we are a non-custodial platform, your funds and profits always sit in your trusted exchange like Binance, KuCoin, etc. It's a hassle-free way to earn passive income from the cryptocurrency market. Whether you choose to participate in our team trading program, rent our bots in the Solo Trading platform, or both, TradeMum offers you the opportunity to achieve your financial goals and live life on your own terms. Join us today and start your journey to financial freedom with TradeMum, where passive income meets financial freedom. Sign up today on TradeMum and start earning today.